Gala Games is preparing for a massive breakout, and in this video we are going to be discussing exactly that. Now on my channel I have been analyzing Gala for quite some time, and I have been mentioning this to you all that Gala is preparing for a massive move, and in this video we are going to be discussing exactly that. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video. My trade signal group has helped me make some good amount of money in the past couple of months. I will do all the analysis in this group and give you all of my trade setups so that you can make the most amount of money. As you can see, in the past couple of months we have made profits of about 142%, 350%, and even crazier than that. So make sure guys join my Patreon. The link to it will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month, and I truly believe that the value you will be getting in this group will be much higher than this. So guys, right over here I have the Bitcoin rainbow chart, and this basically shows us in which stage of the market are we currently in. As you can see, the blue zones basically means that we are in a position where you can be accumulating cryptocurrencies in general. Now we already know that altcoins in general often move just like Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin pumps up, we see altcoins following the same pattern, and altcoins also pump up. So basically, if Bitcoin goes up, that means that Gala is also going to be going up very soon. Now, according to this chart, we can see that at this moment, we are basically in the accumulation zone. So basically right now, if you want to invest into cryptocurrencies for the maximum rate of return, right now is the best possible method, or say right now is the best possible chance to get into cryptocurrencies. Because as you can see previously as well, whenever we were at these, or say whenever we were at these green levels, we saw some massive rally for Bitcoin coming in really soon, and that gave investors some pretty insane gains. Now right now we are in a similar position, and as you can see we are basically in the accumulation zone. So according to me, let me tell you what I am personally doing at this moment. So at this moment, I am just focusing my all buying power on basically accumulation. So I am focusing on DCAing into various cryptos such as Bitcoin, Ethereum for the high caps, but for the low caps, I am focusing on just 4 major cryptocurrencies out there. I'm focusing on Gala Games, Jasmy, Quant, and HBAR. So guys, I personally believe that if Bitcoin goes up, we should be expecting a rally for altcoins as well, and Gala should be pumping as well. Now right now we are basically in this green, or say bluish zone. So right now should be a pretty good entry, even though Gala has pumped almost 300% from its Bitcoin, or say from its bottom for this bear market rally. I personally believe the market rally is over, but yours might be something else. Anyways, if we check out the charts right over here, we are going to be seeing something really interesting happening over here. So we saw this massive Elliott wave 1 towards the upside, which I have been mentioning on my channel previously as well. And if you are new to the channel, you should be knowing that I personally believe that this right over here was the bottom for Gala for this bear market rally. Now right now we are in an uptrend, and as you can see we pumped up in wave number 1, came down in wave number 2. Now from that moment onwards we saw this wave 1 towards the upside, and then we saw a drop towards the downside. Now from that moment onwards, as you can see, we have been consolidating for quite some time right now. Now in time, because the market sentiment is towards the upside and we are bullish in a bullish market, the most likely scenario for Gala to go up, the most likely scenario is for Gala to pump up and reach even higher prices. Now I have mentioned this previously on my channel as well, but my latest target, or my immediate target for Gala, is at about 0.08. Because after this level has been hit, I do expect some resistance, and we are going to be coming down to test this previous level of resistance, which is now going to be playing in as a support level. So we are going to be retesting on this level, and after that we are going to be continuing, or say we are going to be continuing to rally towards the upside. Now guys, on my channel previously when I posted videos like this, a lot of people ask me that hey, a lot of resistance levels are between these levels as well. Yeah guys, no doubt there are some massive resistance levels which we need to break through, but I am not really talking about one day price movement on my channel. I'm telling you guys what I believe is going to be happening in the coming few weeks, or say in 1 or 2 month period of time. Because I personally believe if you invest into a crypto right now, and if you're hoping for, let's say, a 500% move towards the upside in just 1 or 2 days, I mean, you are at the wrong channel, because I'm not really in support of that, and I don't really like to promote my cryptocurrencies with the method of that. Right over here, if we check out the RSI, it's basically the same. We are practically in the middle. We are not really moving up and we are not really moving down as well. But because the market sentiment is towards the upside, I do expect Gala to show us some movements towards the upside. If you check out the MACD indicator right over here, you will be able to see that the selling pressure is slowly and slowly cooling off. And even though we saw some buying pressure coming in at this moment, the buying pressure did not really last, and we saw some selling pressure coming in as well. However guys, right over here, as you can see, that the selling pressure is slowly and slowly dying off, and we are going to be seeing a reversal anytime soon. Now right over here, as you can see previously as well, we saw this massive wave towards, or say a small wave towards the upside. We saw a bit of a buying pressure, and after that we flipped bearish, and as you can see, we saw some selling pressure coming in as well. However guys, this was after because after this moment we saw Gala rallying up, and we saw this huge buying pressure coming in. Now I personally believe that this is going to be happening for Gala in the immediate short term, because the selling pressure is getting weaker and weaker, and the buying pressure will start to come in play, and we will see this huge green candles once again. By the way guys, if you want to take trades like me, and you don't really want to focus your time on analysis, and you want to focus on best ways to make money in this crypto markets, make sure guys join my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description, because let me tell you what is the most advantageous thing of joining my trade signal group. Well guys, as you can see, we have been in this consolidation phase for quite some time right now, and even though we are consolidating, in my trade signal group I am taking trades. I'm taking like one trade every 2 days, and I can 100% assure you, and you can even check my track record in my trade signal group, that we are locking some serious profits. And that is what you guys should be aiming for the shorter term as well as in the longer run, because in this market we are here to make money, and if my trades can help you make some money, I don't really see it as an I don't really see it as money spent. Instead, I see it as an investment in your trading careers, and you can learn how I am planning to take my trades, because I will be telling you all, when you guys should be taking your profits, when you guys should be entering into the market, how much risk should you guys be taking, and much more of that interesting stuff. I truly believe this is a long journey, but with my trade signal group, I'm basically cutting all of that out, because you can take experience, or say you can take advantage of my experience in trading, and you guys can make some money too. I personally believe that this is really good, and this is something which all of us can be doing as well. By the way guys, I noticed that some of you all were asking that, hey, we can't really pay with or say we can't really pay with credit cards, debit cards or PayPal, and we prefer, or say we want to use cryptocurrencies in order to pay you. Well guys, if you are in that category, you can pay me with crypto. Just comment it down below that, hey, I want to join your trade signal group and I want to pay with crypto. I will send you my exact address where you can pay me, and I will get you verified and all of that good stuff, and then you can easily get entered. Because I understand that a lot of people who are watching my channel have invested into cryptocurrencies, so they can naturally only spend cryptocurrencies, and that way I will be making easier for you to invest into yourself using your crypto, which we want as a mass adoption currency in the future as well. And yeah guys, that's going to be pretty much my analysis for Gala today. I personally believe that right now we are still in the accumulation zone, so if you guys ever wanted to enter into the crypto markets, right now is a pretty good opportunity to get in at these lower prices. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights. If you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another Gala update video.